Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la.
I know it's technically when I've done this video, I know it's not technically the end of the month. This is 27th March 2022. I'm going to just go, right, this is going. I'm taking apart this, and it's going for scrap. So, yeah. I'll just take some screws off on the outside. Yeah. Been a wild day, so I have to leave the window open. So, yeah, if I did do a part 2 or I did a video and I remember that I'm going to put a link in, I'll put him in. But if it ain't, you guys will have to remind me of the video. You may go, oh yeah, he didn't mention that, you're going to put it in, but it did. Some people may go, oh, did he do it? So, yeah. So there's one part, plastic will come out. So yeah. So it smells of petrol, so I'm not going to put it, I'll keep this one technically, but, yeah. So just take this a bit of brass off. Like that. So that's it, let's screw. Yeah. So I've got for the pliers. Take the rest of the brass off. This is the brass. Don't know if that bit of brass will come off, I don't know. Don't know if it will twist off or will it be a pull off one. If not, it's an indent. I'll take the That screw's been a bit buggy now, that one. So it's started to make, might be. But I got it off ages ago, so it must have saved it set up from it past. Yeah. There you go, this is doing itself. So, yeah. A lot of people have just recently where they're looking for stuff that they can have, and where they're looking for certain parts, and then when they go and find the certain parts, they can't get it, they can't find it. And then it comes to one day where somebody just took one apart or scrapped it in, and then it comes like it's no good no more. Yeah. So I just took that off of there. And it comes to one point where they go, oh, it's so good. I said, no, I scrapped it. I said, what? Why? Well, I had it for years, or I had it for months, and it was just, I wanted it out of my way, so I scrapped it. Scrapped it in. You know, okay. So this is easy to take this apart. Just make this gel bit. Yeah. And go around again. Just take the screw off to there. And people could have gone, oh well, you could have held it on a bit longer. And I just go, well, sometimes I do, but sometimes it's just, sometimes I probably make the bit of money. Plastic bit just come out of that. So, and people say, well, you could have held it on a bit longer. I said, well, you went trying to sell something and nobody don't buy it, it does you fucking head. Even when if you want to get it out your way ASAP. But, yeah. Well, I said, it's going into the end of the month. So, is it going out my way? It is. So just take these Allen keys out, just across there to there, same on the other side, there to there. They are really long screws, so it's going to take quite some time. Went to the pub yesterday, still got a bit of a dizzy still in my head. Yeah. Bit of one. Yeah, so about time I've done this, so I bet somebody could have come up to me and go, oh, I could have bought it off you, mate. And I go, well, I still got the parts, if you want to come up and get it, you can do. You can do. But I was just hoping the valve, just to get it, see if any petrol gets it down in there still wet, and I just let it get to it. It's got that bit of brass on it still, but I'm not sure if it'll just pop out or is it a twist. I'm not sure, but I'll leave it in. So if it doesn't camera, that'll be good, innit? So yeah, I'll just scrap that iron as cast aluminium, or cast aluminium, or just the put it in this alley, or moulding alley. So yeah. So goodbye guys. See you in the next video. I'll just shut these basic plastic bits in bin. Bang on in. I'll shut the other bits of plastic in bin. Steel gets put to one side. The aluminium gets, the other bits of aluminium gets put to one side. Yeah. The brass pieces, even they get to put to one side. Yeah, I'll show them in that tub what's got copper and brass in it. Another bit of aluminium. The other bit of plastic gets chucked in bin. Missed the bin completely. And screws. Yeah, they get to put to one side. And tools tucked away. Chris to put to one side. So yeah. So that's out of my way. Thank you for watching. Peace.